To really find something that is lasting, we have to go in. We have to ask ourselves more profound and direct questions about what is our essence. Who am I without all that stuff, without all my stories? Who am I essentially? What is my authentic being? The Enlightenment Intensive process, it is a combination of an ancient Zen practice called Zazen with modern inquiry techniques that brought together facilitates a really powerful container for creating change. You're simply focused on that one question, who am I? And that eventually, as it goes deeper and deeper into every cell of your body, a transformation happens. And then the experience of that can only be experienced. It's impossible to describe it. It is you in your raw nakedness.
Inesquecível. Just one word? Inesquecível.
The intensive is a very personal experience. It's just about you. There's no pressure to perform. It's not a therapy. You just sit in this structure in these dyads and contemplate the question with one person, with your partner, who am I?
I didn't really know what to expect because I'd never done anything like this, and actually came out of it finding something I didn't know I even had. It's just amazing to be able to see something inside yourself change that you didn't know could happen.
The process is very much a detox of your physical body, your emotional body, your spiritual body. It really is a deep clean. And the intensive process is just simply a technique that allows you to connect with your essential self directly, to know that directly. Nobody's doing it for you. At the end of the day, you do everything yourself. And this is what is so beautiful about the process, is because it really allows you to clear out what you're ready to work on, what you're wanting consciously or unconsciously to deal with, you know.
Nesse processo eu consegui realmente me olhar no espelho e fazer as pazes com uma coisa que me deixava bastante triste e limitava a minha vida.
So, tell me who you are.
Diga-me, quem é você?
Dis-moi, qui es-tu?
Řekni-mi, kdo jsi?
Tell me who you are.
Dimmi chi sei.
Vertel me wie je bent.
Tell me who you are.